In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media content calendar in Asana free template. We'll build a ready-to-use calendar using Asana's built-in content calendar template, so you can plan posts, assign owners, and track deadlines with clarity. Start by opening your workspace and clicking the plus icon to create something new. From the menu that appears, choose New Project. This is the quickest way to spin up a structured space for your content planning without having to build everything from scratch. Next, select the Content Calendar option. Asana's free template comes preloaded with sections, example tasks, and fields that are tailored for marketing workflows. Click Use Template to load these settings into a new project. This saves time and gives you a consistent framework your team can follow. Now give your project a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that instantly tells everyone what this calendar is for, like your brand name and the time frame you're planning. Then set the privacy. Decide whether this calendar should be visible to your entire organization or only to a specific team. If you're just getting started, keeping it limited to your immediate collaborators can reduce noise and keep feedback focused. When you're ready, click Next. Choose a start date for your calendar. This anchors the timeline and helps Asana place tasks relative to that starting point. If you're planning monthly campaigns, choose the first day of the month you're targeting. Then select the calculated end date option. Asana will determine the end date based on the template's durations and your chosen start date, which helps keep the overall schedule realistic without manual math. Click Create Project. Asana will generate your content calendar with sections and example tasks laid out for you. You now have a working space to manage posts across platforms, see what's coming up, and reduce last-minute scrambles. From here, edit the project to fit your workflow. Update task titles to reflect real pieces of content, like specific posts, videos, or blogs. Adjust due dates and owners so responsibilities are clear. Open each task to refine details. Add platforms, captions or outlines, links to assets, and any review steps you require. Replace placeholder sections with channels you actually use and archive anything you don't need to keep the board clean. If the template includes fields like status or platform, standardize how you use them so reporting stays consistent. As you refine, keep your naming conventions simple and your timelines realistic, building in buffer for drafting, design, approvals, and publishing. That's it. You've created a social media content calendar in Asana using the free template and customized it so your team can plan, execute, and track content with confidence.